Imagine waking up before dawn on August 19th to witness a rare astronomical event. Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, will be at its farthest point from the Sun, making it a perfect opportunity for early risers to spot this elusive world in the morning sky. But here's the challenge. Mercury's tight orbit around the Sun means it never strays far from the horizon, making it one of the trickiest planets to see, especially when compared to its more distant counterparts like Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. These planets, with their orbits beyond Earth, can appear high in the night sky at certain times of the year, but Mercury's proximity to the Sun makes it a more difficult target to hunt down. And this is the part most people miss. Mercury's farthest point from the Sun, known as its greatest western elongation, will occur at 8:25 AM EDT, 12:25 GMT, on Tuesday, August 19th, and astronomers consider this the ideal time to spot the planet during its morning appearance. However, even at its greatest elongation, Mercury won't climb very high in the sky, making it a challenging yet rewarding target to spot. For observers in New York, for example, the planet will rise a mere 16 degrees above the eastern horizon by the time the Sun slips into view. To increase your chances of spotting Mercury, look to the east in the hour preceding dawn, when the rocky world will shine low among the stars of the constellation Cancer, with Venus and Jupiter forming a line to its upper right, below a 14% lit waning crescent moon. But be warned, the light of the rising sun will begin to swamp Mercury when it's a mere 10 degrees above the horizon, about the width of your outstretched fist, so be sure to find a location with a clear view to the east. Now here's a question for all you stargazers out there. Do you think the challenges of spotting Mercury make it more exciting to finally catch a glimpse of this elusive planet? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you're interested in seeing the phases of Mercury and other solar system worlds up close, check out our guide to the best telescopes available in 2025. But here's where it gets controversial. Some astronomers argue that the increasing availability of high-quality telescopes is making it easier for amateur stargazers to contribute to the field of astronomy, while others claim that it's creating a culture of telescope tourism that's more focused on taking pretty pictures than actually advancing our understanding of the universe. What do you think? Should amateur stargazers be encouraged to contribute to the field of astronomy, or are they more of a hindrance than a help? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to join our space forums to keep talking space on the latest missions, night sky, and more. If you capture an image of Mercury and want to share it with Space.com's readers, please send your photos, comments, and your name and location to spacephotos@space.com. Top telescope pick. Want to see the planets of our solar system for yourself? The Celestron NexStar 4 SE is ideal for beginners wanting quality, reliable, and quick views of celestial objects. For a more in-depth look, check out our Celestron NexStar 4 SE review. On the morning of August 19th, Mercury will appear as a bright morning star to the unaided eye, and viewing the rocky world through a telescope with an aperture of 4 inches or more under good atmospheric conditions may reveal Mercury's moon-like phases. On this particular morning, the world will appear as a tiny 41% lit crescent, though utmost care must be taken to never point your telescope near the rising sun, as doing so can permanently damage your vision. So, get ready to spot Mercury in the morning sky on August 19th and join the conversation in the comments below.